Hello. If you are a teenager and you are a cochlear recipient, this episode is for you. But if you are a parent of a teenager who's cochlear recipient, then please take notes and help your child to go through these steps for music appreciation. Before you start music listening practice, it's important to involve your family and friends in the program because their support and their encouragement can have a very positive impact on your progress in music appreciation. When it comes to music rehab, always start at the basic level and work at your own pace as you are comfortable, not to make the whole program very complicated. When you are going through music rehab practice, you can request your family members to get you an appointment with your hearing healthcare professional who can help you to set some professional goals. So, I will talk about certain steps today which can help you to appreciate music and to enjoy music much more than you are enjoying now. The first step, as you must have guessed it, keep it simple. What do you mean by simple? What I mean is that listen to the song and musical piece where there is only one musical instrument involved or two musical instruments involved and not orchestra or too many instruments being played in the background, because that will make it more complicated for you. So pick up those songs, pick up that music which has limited number of musical instruments being played. Also start listening to the songs which are very familiar to you, which you had been listening around. Pick up the songs which have a lot of repetition, repeated lines and chorus in the end, which you can be exposed to again and again, and you can also sing along with that. Starting with the experiments of instruments, that can also help. That's another step. So once you start listening to the simple songs which have less number of instruments, then try to identify the musical instrument. Listen to the instrument and identify which particular instrument it is. You know, if you get a chance to practice and experience creating sounds on any musical instrument, that can help you. For example, it can be piano, harmonium, guitar, sitar, anything which is available to you if possible. If not, then listen to these songs with instruments and try to guess what instrument is being played. There are many apps which can help you in identification of these musical instruments. There is one Angel Sound. In that, what happens? You listen to one musical instrument and then you guess the name of the instrument. Then you look for answer. So the software tells you whether your answer is correct or wrong. If your answer is wrong, then you will get a correct name of the instrument and you can play the sound again and associate that particular sound with the name of the musical instrument. That will help you in identification of the instrument. Once you start identifying the instruments, you can move on to identifying melodies. You know, melodies have three components: rhythm, pitch, and tone. So when you listen to the songs and listen to the musical piece, repeat it, listen to it again and again. It won't be boring because first time when you listen to the song, pay attention to the rhythm only, not to the lyrics. Second time when you listen to the song, pay attention to the tone of the singing. Third time, pay attention to the pitch. How much variation of pitch, low pitch or high pitch is being used. Once you pay attention to all three components and understand and recognize them, you will understand the melody. You will be able to recognize the melody of that particular instrument and song. So this way you move on to melody. Now when you want to recognize the melody and you have some experience, then you move on to the lyrics. Now you can add lyrics, you can download lyrics, have the lyrics in front of you, and you can even listen to the music accordingly. But I would recommend that before paying attention to the lyrics, listen to the instrumental songs, which will help you to move on to lyrics. What I mean is that there are, the same tune of the song can be played on one instrument, just one instrument, and you listen to that and you guess which song it is, which melody it is. For example, I give you an example. Suppose you listen to the tune. Something like that. I'm not a good singer. So this musical instrument is playing, and then you say, I know this song. This is Jo Dil Se Lage, Keh Do Hai 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 Hai, Jo Dil Na Lage, Keh Do Bye 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 Bye, Zindagi, I love you Zindagi. So now like this, when the musical instrument is playing, you are singing because you know what song it is, what melody it is. This is the time you can keep in front of you lyrics, you can download lyrics and see the lyrics, and that will help you the singing. There is a lot of repetition also and there is a lot of information, visual information from the lyrics, which will help you to pay attention to your music and enjoy it because you understand what is being said. So once you go into this, then now you are ready for live performance. At this stage, what I mean is I'm not saying you can give live performance, I'm saying you can attend live performance. So when I say live performance, how does it help? You can see the body movement of the singer, you can see the gestures of the singer, you can see the dancing steps of the singer, and you can even if you're closer, you can even see the lip reading. That will help you to identify the melody and sing the song along with that. That will be helpful. Suppose you don't get an opportunity to see a live performance, then you can go to BBC Live Lounge, where you will have many videos which are live performance recorded videos, which will have the same impact for you and same benefit for you. After that, move on to music videos. If you go to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, you will find many songs which have music videos. So the singer is singing, but in between there are short video clips which are related to the lyrics of the song. That will also help you keep your focus on the music, will help you pay interest to in the music, and that will help you to do appreciation, music perception also. Once you're comfortable with that, then go to audio songs, only music audio. Now don't see the video, don't get any visual cues, pay attention to the song and sing. If you don't know the lyrics or you don't remember the lyrics, you can download and keep the lyrics in front of you and sing the song with that. So slowly, please get rid of the visual lyrics and pay attention to the sound, the song, and try to understand what lyrics they are and sing along with the singer. You know about karaoke? where the singer is singing, you have a mic in front of you and you match the singing tone and rhythm of the particular singer, and you can even have lyrics in front of you which can help you. So all these activities will help you, and then you can move on to only listening to songs on your mobile or your iPad and laptop, where you are singing the song along with, or you are singing song, and slowly you start independently singing also. I can understand that you might have an interest for a particular type of music. You know, there are lots of different types of music. Everybody has a different interest. You have to find your own interest, what type of music you like. So these steps will help you to find out your interest. For example, there is pop music, there is rock music, there is rap music, there is fast music, there is slow music like ghazals, and there is cultural music. Every state and every community have their cultural music, which is mostly played during festivals, the festival of that particular state, again and again, and you will get a lot of repetition and lot of exposure to listening to the songs. That can help you. It can also give you opportunity of seeing the live performance of that cultural music, especially during festivals. So if you get involved in that, you will certainly enjoy music, learn music, pay attention to music, and you will appreciate music much more. You will enjoy it than you are enjoying now. Try some of these steps and see if there is any change in your music appreciation and enjoyment of music, and let me know. Thank you so much.